Today I'm going to teach you how to create text borders in Squarespace. This is a great way to make specific text elements stand out on your website and add some visual polish to your design. First, head to your browser and type in squarespace.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your websites. From the dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to create these text borders. This will open up the editing interface for that specific site. Now look over to the left side menu and click on Website. Under that option, you'll see several choices. Go ahead and click on Pages. This section is where you'll access the different pages of your site, but we're not actually editing a page directly here. Next, in that same left side menu, find and click on Custom Code. Under Custom Code, you'll see an option called Custom CSS. Click on that. This is where the magic happens, as Custom CSS allows you to add styling rules that control how elements on your site look and behave. Before we move forward, I'm using an extension that can really help you identify specific IDs for text elements. It's called Squarespace ID Finder. You can download and install it as a browser extension. This tool makes it much easier to work with Squarespace, especially when you need to target specific text blocks for styling. Once you've installed the extension, enable it with the extension active. Click on the text ID of the element you want to add a border to. The extension will help you identify the exact ID you need. Copy that ID, then paste it into the custom CSS field. After pasting the ID, type the following code: open curly bracket border :5px solid black, close curly bracket. This code creates a 5-pixel solid black border around your text. You can repeat these steps for any other text elements on your page. Simply click another text ID using the Squarespace ID Finder extension, then type the code again in the custom CSS field. Feel free to customize the code by changing the pixel value or the color to match your website's style. For example, you could change 5px to 10px for a thicker border, or swap black for any color name or hex code. Once you're done adding borders to all the text elements you want, click Save. Your changes will now be applied to your site, and those text elements will have the borders you've created. That's it. You've successfully added custom text borders in Squarespace using custom CSS. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.